For those who didn't know, Central Office just released a post pertaining to the revision for the so-called classroom observations. And it is for discussion. And they are asking to share your thoughts, opinions, and feedback. So what is our response or our view? Merong mga loopholes yung PMES that seems to be hindi yata na-address even with our released first draft. Imagine, an in-person observation requires the teacher to be on 100% of the time. Kasi kailangan malakas yung boses niya. Kailangan gumalaw niya dito, punta siya doon, punta siya dito, to be engaged with the whole class. Bakit? Because teachers know that the principal, the school head, or the master teacher is watching. So every teacher forces himself or herself to stand, walk around, ignoring that body pain, ignoring that exhaustion na sinisigaw na ng katawan, uy, tama na, relax na. Yun yung nangyari dun sa teacher. During the observation, she collapsed, got sick. Unfortunately, she passed away. The authenticity the policy wants is impossible because the teachers, with such cases, their body is already screaming for rest. But this PMES demands active engagement to get a passing score. And that is the truth. So option 1 is basically what? Option 1 is still the same. Culturally known, culturally practiced classroom observation. That is option 1. Wala po yung pinagbago. It's just the same thing. We were only provided with option 2, which is what? Yung video.